Good morning and welcome to February, Wild Bird Feeding Month. We got some bird feeders here. On the left we've got the hummingbird feeder, and these feed the woodpeckers because then they will not drum on my house because it's too close to a food source. I've got a YouTube video on that, but here's what really feeds the birds. Just some native habitat. Right? This white thorn acacia here, the verdants just hop up and down the branches all the time looking for little bugs to eat. And this, messy place down on the soil, it may look messy, but it's perfect for quail. They love to come in there. They munch a little bit of the greens. They scratch around for seed. This is some wild habitat, and this is how you feed the wild birds. You don't cover your soil with rocks or lawn. You leave some nature out there. So it's just like what they would have in the wilderness. Thanks for watching. Support your wild birds in Wild Bird Feeding Month.